This cottage cheese mac and cheese packs 34 grams of protein per serving, is super creamy, and takes less than 25 minutes to prepare. Great if you're looking for a high protein dinner or lunch to meal prep for the week. We'll start with the cheese sauce first. Start with a blender or food processor jar. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese. I'm using 4% milk fat, but I've also successfully made it with reduced fat before. Add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Add 1 cup of shredded cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar, but you can use your preferred type of cheese. Add 2/3 cup of milk. I'm using 2% here, but high protein milk works great here as well. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Place the lid on your blender or food processor jar, power on your device, then blend everything together for about a minute or two until everything is fully combined. You should be left with a somewhat thick and smooth cheese sauce for your pasta. Turn a burner on medium heat, place a skillet on top of it, add 4 ounces of the cooked protein of your choice. I'm going with 2 fully cooked chicken sausage links that I've diced up. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes to heat it up, and then remove it from the skillet. For our pasta, we'll use 8 ounces for this recipe. I'm using whole grain elbow pasta, but any pasta works for this recipe. Cook your pasta according to your box's instructions. For reference, I cooked mine for about 9 minutes. Once your pasta is finished cooking, drain it and save a bit of pasta water. You shouldn't need it unless your cheese sauce is too thick. Return to the stove with your cooked pasta in your pot. Then pour the blended cheese sauce into the pasta and mix everything together. It should mix without any issues, but if it's too thick, add a bit of pasta water to thin it out. Finally, add your cooked protein into the mac and cheese and mix everything together. Transfer it to a large bowl if you're serving it for dinner, or portion out your meals into meal prep containers if you're meal prepping these for the week. Then you're set to enjoy your cottage cheese mac and cheese. It tastes just as good as your favorite mac and cheese, only with much more protein and creamier. You can store any leftovers for up to 4 days in an airtight container. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein comfort food recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.